Hello guys, my name is Julio and I want you to speak Spanish like a pro. Now the R is a little tricky. When spelled out individually, we say ere. However, some people may say R. Now depending on the spelling of the word, this may have different pronunciations. For example, ere may sound like a simple R sound in middle or final position of the word. For example, pero, caro, coro. Now another way of pronouncing the R is like R. This is what we call the rolling R, or when the R is rolled. This means that the R is very strong in that combination. Usually in spelling this shows as a double R, but also at the beginning of words. This is very common, and it's very important that you learn how to pronounce this sound, even if you find it hard at first, because there are big differences in meaning whether you pronounce the simple R or the rolled R. For example, pero, in English it means but, like I'd like to do this but I can't, but. However, perro is the dog, the animal. I like my dog, mi perro. Caro means expensive. However, with a double R, this is carro, car, expensive or car. Coro is a choir or a chorus, whereas if I say corro, this means like a run. Another examples with this double R, rata, rato, ruta. Now the R is also rolled when it follows an L, an N, or an S. For example, Enrique. So even though you don't see a double R, like in these examples before, when following these sounds, it's actually strong. Enrique. Israel. Alrededor.